Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is January 13th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA ETF that I'll be looking at on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Let's just jump right on here to the charts. Well, first of all, the Dow seems like it's kind of waiting for the rest of the market. It made all-time high. It's steady making new highs, every week from what it looks like, and waiting for the rest of the market to catch up. But let me go ahead and zoom in here on this quarterly chart and see what we see. On the quarterly chart, as we can see, we're above pivot. We're forming a doji. The Dow is trading in a very tight range right now and all, but it is making highs. It's drifting slowly to the upside. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart and see what we see there. Again, only being a couple of weeks into the month, into the year. Right now, as we can see, we have made a new high already this year on the Dow, and that's where we're at. We're above the 10. We're bullish. We're above the pivot. We're okay, and we are making new highs. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. As I just said, the Dow made a new high this week again, and it pulled back a little bit off that high. And as we can see here, the last 3 weeks, last 4 weeks, the Dow is kind of like in a very tight range above. This is a monthly pivot. And I'll stand above this monthly pivot here these last 2 weeks and all. So I kind of expect it to stay up here in this range. I do not expect it to drop below this. We do have earnings coming up here real soon. So again, it's all in line to make even more highs as things go on. So be very careful about wanting to short this at this time. You might be a little early to the party, thinking this thing is going to turn around and go down. So be careful about that. Again, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily chart and see what we see there. Then this is on the daily chart. You can see here for the last couple of weeks, and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days, last couple of weeks, this thing has just really been going sideways. It's making new highs each week, but it's not really going anywhere. It's not going down. Again, so you guys who are trying to get bearish in the market right now, you might be a little early to the party, or you might be in a bad trade. If this thing ends up with earnings coming up, earnings ends up giving us some surprises, and this thing ends up going higher. But if you are, this is where you do want to try to sell, you want to try to sell at the tops, and look for it to go lower. But a lot of us, we like waiting for that confirmation and making sure if this thing is really going to drop. Being a little late to the party is better than being early, early and nobody shows up and it ends up going off the other direction on you. So be careful here at this top, trading to the upside or to the downside. It's certain strategies that you want to play. You just want to try to be very, very, very careful about what you do here trading at a top. And that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Traders. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.